Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss Sony Bravia not turning on and a step-by-step walkthrough for easy fix. Number 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet. Wait for at least 30 seconds. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 30 seconds. Release the button, plug the TV back in and attempt to power it on. Number 2. Check the power source. Ensure the power cord is securely connected to both the TV and a working outlet. If using a power strip or surge protector, plug the TV directly into the wall outlet to rule out issues with the power strip. Number 3. Test with the TV's power button. Locate the physical power button on the TV, often on the side or bottom. Press it to see if the TV responds. If the TV turns on, the issue may be with the remote control or its batteries. Thanks for watching.